Welcome to Food Everyday YouTube channel. Here you'll find recipes, cooking tips, and delicious food ideas. Subscribe now, let's get start. Menu: Keto Lasagna. Ingredients: meat sauce, 1 lb ground beef, 1 can tomatoes, 1 cup mushrooms, 1 cup beef stock, 4 cloves garlic, 1 cup diced onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil, cheese sauce, 4 ounce cream cheese, 1 cup cheddar, 1 ounce mozzarella, 1 cup cream, 2 large zucchini. Directions: 1. In a small pot add the cream cheese, cheddar, and mozzarella. Warm slowly until all the cheese has melted, but do not bring to a boil. Set to the side. 2. Heat a medium pan and add the olive oil. Add the diced onion and garlic and fry for 5 to 10 minutes until starting to brown. 3. Add the mushrooms and ground beef and cook until browned. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. 4. Add the tomatoes and beef stock and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until sauce has reduced. Set to the side. 5. Cut the zucchini into thin strips using a mandolin or vegetable peeler. Grease and line a baking tin. 6. Layer the lasagna, finishing with a layer of the cheese sauce. Top with some additional shredded cheese. 7. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Nutritional information: net carbs 8.2 gram, protein 25.8 gram, fat 23 gram, calories 346. Menu: Choc Chip Skillet. Ingredients: half a cup almond butter, half a cup almond meal, a quarter cup sucrin, 2 tablespoon vanilla, 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoon cacao nibs. Directions: 1. Mix all ingredients in a medium bowl. 2. Press into a small, greased skillet. 3. Bake in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes. 4. Remove from the oven and serve with keto ice cream. Nutritional information: carbs 13.6 gram, net carbs 13.6 gram, protein 32.7 gram, fat 66.5 gram, calories 905. Menu: roasted Cauli dip. Ingredients: 1/2 head cauliflower, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 100 g almond flour, 50 g coconut flour, 1 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon salt, 100 g butter, 50 g cream cheese, 1 egg, 2 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Directions: 1. Take the cauliflower and cut into small florets. 2. Toss in a small amount of olive oil and the cumin seeds. 3. Roast for 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until browned and crispy. Let cool for 10 minutes. 4. Add all cracker ingredients into a food processor and pulse until combined. Wrap in cling film and freeze for 30 minutes. 5. Roll between 2 sheets of parchment paper and slice into crackers. Bake for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping halfway through. 6. In a food processor, add the cauliflower, onion, garlic. Nutritional information: net carbs 15.6 gram, protein 16.1 gram, fat 53.2 gram, calories 618. Menu: TV dinner. Ingredients: meatloaf, 1 lb ground beef, 1 lb ground pork, half a cup onion, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon thyme, 1 tablespoon sage, 1 tablespoon basil, 1 tablespoon paprika, 4 cloves garlic, 2 teaspoon olive oil. Mashed cauliflower. 1/2 head cauliflower. 3 tablespoon butter. 1/4 cup Parmesan. Zucchini. 2 medium zucchini. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 2 cloves garlic. 1 teaspoon turmeric. Directions. 1 for the meatloaf, mix all ingredients in a bowl and transfer to a greased stand. Parchment-lined loaf tin. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or until cooked through. 2 for the mashed cauliflower, steam half a head of cauliflower for 20 minutes or until tender. Add to a food processor with the butter and Parmesan cheese. Pulse until smooth, adding a splash of water if necessary. 3 for the zucchini, cut the zucchini squash into spears and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Add the garlic, oil, and turmeric to a bowl. 4. Remove the zucchini from the oven and cover in the oil mix. Return to the oven for 20 minutes or until cooked through. Nutritional information. Net carbs, 7.1 gram. Protein, 30.2 gram. Fat, 40.4 gram. Calories, 523. Menu. Keto Chicken Nuggets. Ingredients. For boneless chicken thighs. 1 egg. 1/2 cup almond flour. 2 cups pork panko. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 cup coconut oil for frying. 1/4 cup mayo. 1 pickle. 1 teaspoon diced red onion. 1 teaspoon mustard. Directions. 1. Take boneless chicken thigh cutlets and cut in half lengthways. 2. Marinate overnight in pickle brine overnight or make your own using the recipe below. 3. Mix almond flour and 2 teaspoons of salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. 4. Dip each tender in almond flour mix, then beaten egg and then pork panko. 5. In a high-sided frying pan, heat coconut oil to approximately 325 degrees. 6. Drop breaded tenders into the coconut oil and fry until golden, about 5 minutes each side. 7. Place on paper towels. Coat in a little cayenne pepper if spicy chicken is preferred. 8. In a small bowl, mix mayo, diced pickle, diced red onion, and mustard. 9. Serve on the side. Nutritional information. Calories, 926.15. Carbs, 4.5 gram. Net carbs, 3.5 gram. Protein, 73.8 gram. Fat, 69.1 gram. Total weight, 147.4 gram. Thanks for watching Food Everyday channel. See you next video.